अवाजी समातुन ताई रेडियो वॉइस ऑफ सिंध लंदन।
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Almighty Allah, who is the most merciful and the most kind. You are listening to Radio Voice of Sin London, and this is Indus Melodies. I'm Yasir Qazi. Hello and welcome to the show. Praying for the prosperity of all of you listening out there throughout the world, throughout the globe, and for the people living throughout the globe. Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai, the greatest poet of Sindh and Sindhi language, always prays that Saim Sadain Kari Mathe Sindh Sukar, Dost Mitha Dildar, Alam Sab Abad Kari. O God, bestow your blessings on my homeland Sindh, but this should extend, these blessings should extend to all over the world, and everybody listening me out there throughout the world. I say you welcome, and I pray for your prosperity, and I hope that you are good, and I pray that you are in a good condition of health. May you be prosperous, may you be happy, and may you be useful for your people, for your homeland, wherever you live. Today when I'm talking to you, it is Saturday, September 5th, 2020, and as per Sindhi calendar, which is also called Bakrami calendar, it is 20th of Baddo or 20th of Bhadon 2077. This is 2077 as per Bakrami calendar or as per Sindhi calendar. As far as the Hijra calendar is concerned, it is the very first month of Hijra calendar. We have just started the new year of Hijra calendar, which is 1442, and this is Muharram al-Haram 16th. So welcome to this show. This is a brand new show for especially for the listeners of Radio Voice of Sindh London. But I told my listeners yesterday in my program Suraj Shahun Kadiyun, which means the sun has risen. Not only the sun has risen, but it has spread its rays on the earth for the prosperity of earth, for the well-being of the people living over the earth, because we all know that sun is the source of light and heat, and which is the reason for our bread and butter. So folks, we'll be meeting in this program, in this very program, which is titled as Indus Melodies. And Indus, we all know that by saying Indus, we refer to the mighty Indus River, and the mighty Indus River also refers to the great civilization, one of the oldest civilizations of this globe, which is Indus Valley civilization, which we call in Sindhi language Sindhu Mathri Tehzeeb. And when we refer to Sindhu Mathri Tehzeeb or Indus Valley civilization, it includes more than 3 countries, current countries as per current geography, the whole Pakistan, almost 40% of India, Kutch, Bhuj, Gujarat and other parts of India. When I say currently Pakistan, means it includes KP, it includes Punjab and Balochistan, and most parts of Afghanistan and Iran too. So we'll be talking about the music and art and fine arts. When I say fine arts, it means poetry and music and art and dance and culture and etc of this piece of land, of this one of the oldest civilizations of this globe. And we'll be talking about the beauty of this piece of land. Let's start with the beauty of the poetry of Hazrat Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai.
एक प्यालो बजना इश्क न करे ईअं, लिखिया जे लखण में से कुर्ब रसंदा कीअं, हुअण क्या हीअं वांझा बस विसाल खा। एक प्यालो बजना इश्क न ईअं करे, आटी से एक थिया जे गता नीह गरे, दुई धार धरे खुल्लत खंजर आयो। एक प्यालो बजना इश्क न करे अध, ये तां सायर सध केई जा कवाल से। जेदा कातिल कोर अखियूं ओॾा ही खणे वेह तनी जे वोर जनी सांगुन साह जो अखियूं ओॾा ही खणे जेदा कातिल कुल मथो कन मुल पिक बराबर पंहिंजो कातिल कमाई करे वेह माखी जे कन वटा वेही तन पेज के प्यालियों हुंदो हद मसंद लाए पिया कन पंहिंजो पूज प्यार ज पहिड़ा वींदा वठो कंद त हट तुंहिंजे हंध मोखी कुमान लहे हुंदो हद मरख लाए पिया कन पंहिंजो वटी वाटाड़ियुनि खे तां प्यारे परख सा लिख लहे थी लख जातो ईंदी हुन से घटन में घुटकन वटियूं पियन वेह गालियूं बरखेज बिद सागी प्यार खे प्रियन पिके न परजन मट तकियाऊं मंझियां आणे उतरवा मोखीअ मटो पटिया मतारा ते सार अचन सिर संभाहियो विझ वाटाड़ुअनि ते मैखाने जी माग थींदी सुध सभु कहीं हंध हंध पुंदी हाक पिरह जा प्याग जुसे अंगण आया जुसे अंगण आया त सरो कंदा सुञ साई थींदियन उञ ही पीतो हू आणगी मोखी चोखी न थिए असुल ओछी ज़ात वटियूं ॾेई वात मतारा जे मारिया मतारा मरी विया मोखी तूं न मरी केही पर परी ॾुखी ॾातारनि ॾे मतारा मरी विया मोखी तूं भी मर तुंहिंजो ॾोस ॾमर कोन सहंदो उन रे सरे कीन कयो वेण मोखीअ जे मारिया कोजो वेण कलाड़ जो पिते ते पियोन तिहां पोइ थियोन मरण मतारनि खे अञा खूरे माग मट कुटका कट घणा लाहे बिहमलाग मोखी मतारनि जा कंध कटारो मुंह वठी आदत जनी ईय तनी तिकूं ॾिनियूं जुंबी मझा जीअ सरो तन सबीय जन हासिल कयो हाल खे मोखी मठो न घुरिया वेह न विहाइटा सुर्कीअ कान सैयद जे उते थी आटिया जे ॻाल्हि न गंगाटिया तन बठिन पास बठियूं सिर ॾेई सत जोड़ कंहिं पर कलाड़नि से काती करट कपार में खंजर आणे खोर मरणा मुंह मोर वटी थी वध लहे वट वट वटीअ में मट मट मंद ॿियो कदुर कैफ कलाड़ जो पिया कन पियो अचन दुरुस्त दुकान ते कंद क़बूल कयो सुरहा सिर ॾियो चखन सुरक सैयद जे आटी थी अंगार खामी किरदारन से पसे से भतार पर पीतो जन से कलाड़ न्यू काय मतन सिखे मुहिया रुंदे रात विहाय चिकाईंदे बठियूं मोखी मट उपटिया अच्छा अंगधार ईंदा तो दरबार वेह पेंदा वटियूं मोखी मट उपटिया सवेरा सुबह है उचे जी अब्दुल लतीफ जे बासन पोते बूए कड़ो जे ककूए तब वट सिर घुरन वटियूं वट सिर घुरन वटियूं दर सिर दुजन उचे जी अब्दुल लतीफ जे वटी वद घुरन पिके न परजन मट तकियाऊं मंझियां दोस पेई दरायो थियो मिलण जो सायो दोस पेई दरायो ॾींहुं पुॼाणो आणे असांखे मोले मुहिब मिलायो थियो मिलण जो सायो वियो विछोड़ो थियो मिलापो वाहिद वाह वरायो थियो मिलण जो सायो हो जहीं जो दस ॾुराॾो ओॾो अॼु सुआयो थियो मिलण जो सायो अब्दुल लतीफ जे अची अजीवन पान फज़ल फरमायो थियो मिलण जो सायो दोस्त पेई दरायो
दोस्त पे ही दर आयो वो दोस्त पे ही दर आयो दोस्त पे ही दर आयो तो मिलन जो सायो दोस्त पे ही दर आयो दोस्त पे ही दर आयो दोस्त पे ही दर आयो वो दोस्त पे ही दर आयो सायो दोस्त पे ही दर आयो दोस्त पे ही दर आयो दोस्त पे ही दर आयो वो दोस्त पे ही दर आयो जो बिछोड़ो थो मेला पो वाहिद वरायो वाहिद वरायो तो मिलन जो सायो दोस्त पे ही दर आयो दोस्त पे ही दर आयो दोस्त पे ही दर आयो वो दोस्त पे ही दर आयो जो दस ॾुराॾो ओॾो अॼु सो आयो ओॾो अॼु सो आयो जो मिलण जो सायो दोस्त पे ही दर आयो दोस्त पे ही दर आयो दोस्त पे ही दर आयो वो दोस्त पे ही दर आयो लतीफ चची अजीबल पान फज़ल फरमायो पान फज़ल फरमायो तो मिलन जो सायो दोस्त पे ही दर आयो दोस्त पे ही दर आयो दोस्त पे ही दर आयो वो दोस्त पे ही दर आयो दोस्त पे ही दर आयो तो मिलन जो सायो दोस्त पे ही दर आयो 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 दोस्त पे ही दर आयो
So, listeners, we started by sharing with you the poetry of Hazrat Shah Latif Bhittai. First, it was rendered as a Tahattul Lafz by reading it, by rendering it by Sayyid Saleh Muhammad Shah. Sayyid Saleh Muhammad Shah late was one of the leading folklore experts of Sindh and the one who rendered Shah Latif Bhittai in an excellent way. He rendered some verses from the poetry of Hazrat Shah Latif Bhittai, and then Zulfiqar Ali and Mazhar Hussain sang a beautiful genre Vai from the same chapter, and the chapter was chapter number 2 from Shahju Risalo, that is called Yaman Kalyan. The first chapter is called Kalyan. Kalyan means peace. And you know that our religion also, the name of our religion also means peace. And the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, also came as the peace. He came as peace for all the generations which were born and all the generations who will be born, and for all the universes, you know. So the name of first chapter is Kalyan. Kalyan means peace, and Yaman Kalyan is derived from the Raga Aman, which is one of the major ragas of Shastri Sangeet from the subcontinent, and we also call it Yaman, or we refer it as Jaman. So this is based on, as most of the chapters which are called Sur in Sindhi are based on various ragas. So the second chapter is based on Aman, the raga, and this was a selection from Aman, and which was rendered by Saleh Muhammad Shah Sahab, and which was sung by Zulfiqar Ali and Mazhar Hussain. So folks, we started with the poetry of Shah Abdul Latif Bhittai, and let me introduce you with Shah Abdul Latif Bhittai. If you don't belong to this piece of land, and if you don't know about Sindh or Indus Valley civilization or the beauty of this terra firma, so we will be mentioning again and again and again about Hazrat Shah Latif Bhittai because he is the greatest, not only the poet but also the constructor of our language. He can also be called big reference to the folklore of Sindh. He passed around 3 centuries before today, the day we are talking, the very moment we are communicating to each other. But even then, his poetry is still the most relevant reference for this land, for this language. So Hazrat Shah Latif Bhittai will be mentioned again and again. Let me share with you that there are 3 main references of this terra firma which would be mentioned frequently in the future, so it will be easy for you to understand about references about this piece of land. Number 1 is one of the major symbols of Indus Valley civilization, which is Mohenjo-daro. Mohenjo-daro is apparently is an archaeological site, but it has a great past. It is a symbol of civilization of the people living over here, and it is actually 2500 BC, before Christ civilization. It was ruined for the very first time by natural disasters. It was rebuilt, and the people of this territory lived over there. Then again, it was destroyed and ruined by the natural disasters, and it was again rebuilt, and thrice it has been rebuilt, and we can see the ruins, we can see the anthropological evidences of the people living over there. So we'll be mentioning about Mohenjo-daro most, and then we will be talking about, of course, the mighty Indus River, which flows from the glaciers of Kashmir and Ladakh, from where the mighty Indus River flows, and then it enters from Kashmir, it enters Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, the current state of Pakistan, the current province of Pakistan. Then it enters to Punjab, and then after that it comes to Sindh, and Sindh is the last destination of Indus River, mighty Indus River, for which this terra firma is called Indus Valley. So it meets the Sindhian Sea, which is now called Arabian Sea, but the ancient name of the sea, which is in the south of Sindh province and Balochistan provinces, that is anciently called Sindhian Sea. So Indus River meets Sindhian Sea, Sindhian Ocean. So this is reference number 2, which would be mentioned again and again. And the third reference is, of course, Shah Abdul Latif Bhittai, the greatest poet of Sindhi language. And this is not referred by myself or anybody else, but Dayaram Gidumal, a great writer of this land, has written a book, perhaps the very first book, the very first reference book about Shah Abdul Latif Bhittai, which book is titled as The Greatest Poet of Sindh, which is referred to Shah Abdul Latif Pitai. So, we'll be talking about these three main references frequently. Therefore, let me introduce with you about these main references about this land, about this piece of globe of earth, so that we may understand about what we are referring to. So, folks, you are listening to Indus Melodies, and the melodies of this land are called Indus Melodies. So, currently, if we are talking about the melodies or the music of Balochistan, that also refers to Indus Melodies. If we are talking about the music of Punjab or Potohar, or the Hindko division, or Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, and of course Sindh, which is the shrunk part of that Indus Valley civilization, that also refers to Indus Melodies. So this is the main synopsis of this program, the radio show, which would be presented to your listenings on every Saturday, 3 p.m. as per Pakistan Standard Time and 11 a.m. as per United Kingdom Standard Time. The repeat broadcast of this program would be made on the same evening, 10 p.m. as per Pakistan Standard Time, which is GMT plus 5, and 6 p.m. as per United Kingdom Standard Time, which is GMT plus 1. So, welcome to the show. You can also extend your feedback on facebook.com/DJ Yasir Qazi, DJYSIRQAZIR, through Twitter at RJ Yasir Qazi, RJYSIRQAZI. Let's pay tributes to Mother Teresa because it is 23rd death anniversary of Mother Teresa, and we all know her, and I don't think that anybody from my listeners would not have heard the name of Mother Teresa, who is also awarded various titles. Some are religious titles awarded to her, like Catholic Church titled her as Saint Teresa of Calcutta. She was basically an Albanian. Then she lived her life in India, Calcutta, which is West Bengal of India. She was born in Ottoman Empire on August 26, 1910, and she left in the age of 87 on September 5th, 1997. We are completing 23 years after her death. So let's pay her tribute and let's include her beautiful voice in which she is mentioning about what is the origin of love. Love is a common term, commonly used in the various parts of, in almost all the parts of the world. But how she defines the love with humanity, because the greatest identification of Mother Teresa is the lover of humanity, a carrier of dignity of humanity, who served humanity without any differences of caste, creed, or religion. She served humanity and she treated everybody, every creature of God, as human. Let's listen to this beautiful piece of her, one of the memorable speeches in which she tells from where the love came and what is the origin of love.
Where does this love begin? In our own family, in our own home. How does it begin? By praying together. Family that prays together stays together. And if you stay together, you will love one another as God loves each one of you. Today, in the world, there's so much suffering because of that want of prayer, of unity in the family. So today, when we are together, let us make one strong resolution that we will bring prayer in our family, that we will teach our children to pray and pray with them. And you will see the joy and the love and the peace that will come into your hearts. Because the fruit of prayer is the deepening of faith. And the fruit of faith is love. And the fruit of love is service. And the fruit of service is peace. Works of love are works of peace.
Folks, we heard these beautiful and memorable words by Mother Teresa. We are paying tribute to Mother Teresa from Radio Voice of Sindh London, from Indus Melodies, from myself, and on the behalf of all the listeners listening out there. And I welcome you all in this show. And let me introduce you with a beautiful voice of this land, Wahid Ali. Wahid Ali was a singer of traditional style of singing, which is called Kafi Kalam. This style of singing is also famous in southern Punjab, and let me share with you that around 500 years back, that part of Punjab, which is called southern Punjab or lower Punjab, was also the part of Sindh, and the current major cities of Punjab like Multan and Uch Sharif, which are also referred as the cities of saints. The saint cities were also part of Sindh. Geographically, it came under the kingdom of Sindh. So, this style of singing of Kafi and Kalam singing is also famous in olden part of Sindh, and the old name of Multan was Mawaltan. And at that time, if we refer to the maps of that time, we can see Mawaltan on those maps as the part of Sindh. Culturally, all those areas which are on the both banks of the mighty Indus River are a part of Indus Valley civilization. So in a way, they are connected, their culture is connected and music is connected. So this Kafi Kalam singing is very much popular in Punjab and the olden part of Sindh, which is southern Punjab and Sindh, of course. And Wahid Ali was one of the leading vocalists of this style of singing in Sindh and around Sindh. This beautiful poetry is by Faqir Qadir Bakhsh Bedil, and Qadir Bakhsh Bedil originally belonged to Rodi, and Muhammad Mohsin Bekas is his son, and these both poets, and the father and the son, Faqir Qadir Bakhsh Bedil and Muhammad Mohsin Bekas, are considered to be the poets of the same series, of the same school of thought, which is carried by Hazrat Shah Latif Bhitai. Then it was carried forward by an other contemporary poet, you can say contemporary but junior than Shah Latif Bhitai. You also met him in his life, who is called Hazrat Sachal Sarmast. And Sachal Sai carried the legacy of Hazrat Shah Latif Bhitai, the poetic legacy, and then it was carried forward by Faqir Qadir Bakhsh Bedil. So this very song is in Saraiki language, which is the second language of Sindhi, which is also called, which is also considered, which is also referred as the sister of Sindhi language. And let's hear to Wahid Ali singing the beautiful poetry of Qadir Bakhsh Bedil, which means that you are not giving me the proper attention, and I need a proper attention from your side, my beloved. Let's hear to this Saraiki song, Lut Litai Dil Sari. Here we go.
ਲੁੱਟ ਲਿਤੇ ਦਿਲ ਸਾਡੇ ਹੁਣ ਕਰੇ ਨੈ ਮਾਣਾ ਲੁੱਟ ਲਿਤੇ ਦਿਲ ਸਾਡੇ ਹੁਣ ਕਰੇ ਨੈ ਮਾਣਾ ਹੁਣ ਕਰੇ ਦਿਲ ਸਾਡੇ ਹੁਣ ਕਰੇ ਨੇ ਮਾਣਾ ਲੁੱਟ ਲਿਤੇ ਦਿਲ ਸਾਡੇ ਹੁਣ ਕਰੇ ਨੇ ਵੇਖ ਕੇ ਤੇਡੀਆਂ ਬੇਪਰਵਾਹੀਆਂ ਰੂਹ ਅਸਾਡਾ ਕੁਮਾਣਾ ਕਰੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਮਾਣਾ ਹੁਣ ਕਰੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਮਾਣਾ ਹੁਣ ਕਰੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਮਾਣਾ ਲੁੱਟ ਲਿਤੇ ਦਿਲ ਸਾਡੇ ਹੁਣ ਕਰੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਮਾਣਾ ਲੁੱਟ ਲਿਤੇ ਦਿਲ ਸਾਡੇ ਹੁਣ ਕਰੇ ਨਹੀਂ बेपरवाया देख के तेडियां बेपरवाया रूह असां विकाना विकाना हुण करे नए माणा हुण करे नए माणा हुण करे नए माणा लुट के दिल साडी साडी हुण करे नए
So folks, hope you enjoyed this song by Wahid Ali. You're listening to Indus Melodies from Radio Voice of Sindh London. This is me, Yasir Kazi, with you. And you would be listening this weekly show on 3 p.m. From Radio Voice of Sindh London as per Pakistan Standard Time, and 11 a.m. as per UK Standard Time and GMT +1. And the repeat broadcast of this program will be made on the same evening, 10 p.m. as per Pakistan Standard Time, GMT +5, and 6 p.m. as per UK Standard Time. Apart from this program, if you want to listen me in Sindhi, twice a week I am doing a breakfast morning show which is called Suraj Shaakhon Kadhiyon, as I told you in the start of this show. So welcome to the show, and anytime you can extend your feedback through our YouTube channel of Radio Voice of Sindh London, through my personal YouTube channel which is Yasir Kazi, YASIRQAZI, and the Facebook pages of Radio Voice of Sindh London and my personal fan page, and also Twitter of Radio Voice of Sindh London and my personal Twitter. Now, if we look at the modern poetry of Sindhi language, especially the post-partition poetry of Sindhi language, one of the leading poets of one of the eminent and celebrated poets is Sheikh Ayaz. Let's hear to the poetry of Sheikh Ayaz. And Sheikh Ayaz has composed poetry in various genres of modern Sindhi poetry. But along with that, he has also experienced the classical folk songs of Sindhi language. Originally, there is no poet of folk song, but on the style of, on the rhythm of, on the model of those folk songs, many of the modern poets have composed their folk songs along with Sheikh Ayaz. And Sheikh Ayaz composes this very beautiful folk song, which belongs to the third desert of Sindh. And the name of the title of this folk song is Hamarcho. And Hamarcho means Hamrah Acho. In Sindhi it means that come along. So somebody on the camel, the person who is leading the fleet of these camels, because we all know that camel is considered to be the ship of the desert. So he is leading the fleet of camels, and he is calling by saying to other of his companions that Hamaracho.
Hamaracho, 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 Hamaracho. गजड़लो हमर से जो बिलोरे गजे गजे गजड़लो हमर से जो बिलोरे बसे बसे मिहड़लो हमर से जो बिलोरे बसे बसे मिहड़लो हमर से जो बिलोरे गजे गजे गजड़लो हमर से जो बिलोरे गजे गजे गजड़लो हमर से जो बिलोरे घटागन गोर लाला सावण जोरा जोर वलाला एल घटागन गोर लाला सावण जोरा जोर वलाला हमर चो हमर चो हमर चो हमर चो घन घोर लाला सावण जोरा जोर लाला अमर चे जो बेलोड़े अमर चे जो बेलोड़े अमर चे जो बेलोड़े अमर चे जो बेलोड़े गजे गजे गाजड़ लो अमर चे जो बेलोड़े गजे गजे गाजड़ लो अमर चे जो बेलोड़े में आड़ंग्योड़े लावा बिजुन सावंग्योड़े ला अबे में आड़ंग्योड़े लावा बिजुन सावंग्योड़े ला हमर चो हमर चो हमर चो हमर चो अबे में आड़ंग्योड़े लावा बिजुन सावंग्योड़े ला हमर चे जो बेलोड़े हमर चे जो बेलोड़े हमर चे जो बेलोड़े हमर चे जो बेलोड़े गजे गजे गाजड़ लो हमर चे जो बेलोड़े गजे गजे गाजड़ लो हमर चे जो बेलोड़े हमारा जोड़े हमारा जोड़े बरसारे में मोर लाला करूं झरजी कोर लाला बरसारे में मोर लाला करूं झरजी कोर लाला अमर चो अमर चो अमर चो अमर चो बरसारे में मोर लाला करूं झरजी कोर लाला बरसारे में मोर लाला करूं झरजी कोर लाला हमर चे जो बेलोड़े हमर चे जो बेलोड़े हमर चे जो बेलोड़े हमर चे जो बेलोड़े गजे गजे गाजड़ लो हमर चे जो बेलोड़े गजे गजे गाजड़ लो हमर चे जो बेलोड़े हमारा जोड़े हमारा जोड़े देखे नियत आला है ल मिलन जामी प्याला प्रति देखे नियत आला है ल मिलन जामी प्याला हमर चो हमर चो हमर चो हमर चो प्रति देखे नियत आला है ल मिलन जामी प्याला हमर चे जो बेलोड़े मारू अड़क सा मेलोड़े हमर चे जो बेलोड़े मारू अड़क सा मेलोड़े गजे गजे गाजड़ लो हमर चे जो बेलोड़े गजे गजे गाजड़ लो हमर चे जो बेलोड़े बसे बसे निहड़ लो हमर चे जो बेलोड़े बसे बसे निहड़ लो हमर चे जो बेलोड़े गजे गजे गाजड़ लो हमर चे जो बेलोड़े गजे गाजड़ लो हमर चे जो बेलोड़े हमर चो हमर चो हमर चो
This was Hamarachu, which was sung by Voices Group, and Voices Group was led by Hanif Lashari and Bedil Masroor, one of the eminent television producers and fiction writers from Sindh. He led that group, Voices Group, and basically this group was made and compiled by some youngsters during early 80s. And this also contained one of the popular music directors, Shahid Bhutto. And this group contained some young singers, some female singers, some male vocalists from Sindh. And it was very popular. And especially they used to sing the poetry of revolutionary poets of various languages, especially Sindhi and Urdu, especially Faiz Saab, Faiz Ahmad Faiz and Sheikh Ayaz. This was an EMI album. This selection was included in this show, in this melodies from their EMI album, which was their debut album. And of course, the first and the last album, which was released in early 80s. I don't remember exactly, but I think it was 84 or 85. It was Zia era, during which these bold poems by Sheikh Ayaz and Faiz Ahmad Faiz were released. And there was a narration before every song, which was written by Ahmad Salim Sahab, one of the revolutionary Punjabi poet and also the translator of Sheikh Ayaz, and it was narrated by Murtaza Solangi. So God bless all. May the souls of Faiz Sahab and Sheikh Ayaz rest in peace. You're listening to Indus Melodies from Radio Voice of Sindh, London, and this is me, Yasir Kazi. And if you're driving, drive carefully. Sindhi is so a beautiful language that everybody, every artist loved to sing in this language, and especially when we start counting the main lead, eminent, outstanding, noted singers and vocalists, female as well as male, from the subcontinent, not only from Sindh or Pakistan, but from the subcontinent, everybody has felt proud to sing in Sindhi language. And if we start counting, I think you will be amazed to know that, oh, this artist has also sung in Sindhi language and this also has sung. So gradually we will be unveiling those vocalists. But now I'm going to pronounce the name of one of the greatest vocalists of the subcontinent, which is Lata Mangeshkar. She has also got her name written among the Sindhi singers. It was from a Sindhi movie which was made in India. That was the name of the movie was so interesting. That was Halta Bhajiyalo. Let's run away from this world, because this society doesn't want that we should meet and we should live our lives together. It was released in 1984. I was so small in 1984, perhaps 5 years old. So this movie was released, and actually this tune is composed by Ustad Muhammad Juman. Originally a song by Zebunnisa, one of the students of Ustad Muhammad Juman, sang a Saraiki song recorded by Radio Pakistan Hyderabad in 70s, I think in late 70s. And then this tune was taken by one of the Indian composers, and he made Lata Mangeshkar sing this song. So this is originally composition of Ustad Muhammad Juman. Let's listen to Lata Mangeshkar singing Sindhi song.
रोई रोई आँखें भरे मुझे
So, folks, I hope you enjoyed this song. Moja supari tokha vichdi mujhe dil cha kare. After getting apart from you, after going away from you, now I'm not in my control. My conscience is not in my control, and it wants to see you always around myself to live a peaceful life, to live a worthy life, a life to be appreciated. You are listening to Indus Melodies from Radio Voice of Sin London, and welcome to the show if you have just joined. You can listen to this show or all my shows which are being aired from various radio stations including Radio Voice of Sin London through my YouTube channel. Along with that, you can also listen to this show and these shows from the YouTube channel of Radio Voice of Sin London. Let's listen to another song sung by one of the contemporary singers, one of the contemporary vocalists of Sin, Sajjad Yusuf. Sajjad Yusuf is the younger brother of Ustad Muhammad Yusuf, one of the leading vocalists of Kafi and Kalam, the style of singing which I introduced before you a while before. But Ustad Muhammad Yusuf, the elder brother of Sajjad Yusuf, was a versatile singer that he sung several playback songs for Sindhi movies and also some of the Urdu movies. He sang for television, he sang for radio, and he was versatile and he was perfect in every of his style. Even he has sung the beautiful Urdu ghazals by Mirza Ghalib and Mir Taqi Mir and others for television and radio. So the voice which we are about to hear, he is the younger brother of Muhammad Yusuf, so he refers to his brother's name as we use the name of fathers as our second name. So he feels proud to be called as Sajjad Yusuf. Sajjad Yusuf sings this song, which means that there's a magic in your city where you live, that if somebody comes, he is stuck by your fragrance, by your aroma, and he cannot get out of that aroma. Chhat jadua tunje shehr mein. Let's listen to this song in Indus Melodies.
छत जादुआ हुन जी नज़र में, छत जादुआ हुन जी नज़र में, होश में ना है कोई, होश में ना है कोई, सारे शहर में छत जादुआ हुन जी नज़र में, अरे छत जादुआ हुन जी नज़र में, होश में ना है कोई, सारे शहर में छत जादुआ, छत जादुआ। वतन जी खुशबू मस्त बनाए वही, हिकिड़ी झलकई दिल में आग लगाए वही, हर पल रहे थो हुन जो, हर पल रहे थो हुन जो, जलवो अंदर में छात जादुआ हुन जी नज़र में, है छात जादुआ हुन जी नज़र में, होश में ना है कोई, सारे शहर में छत जादुआ, छत जादुआ। मुझे सनम जहड़ो को ना है जमाने में, मुझे सनम जहड़ो को ना है जमाने में, जेको बि ॾिसंदो हुनखे ईंदो निशाने में, हर को थियो काबू, हर को थियो काबू, हुन जे सहर में छा त जादू आहे, हुन जी नज़र में छा त जादू आहे, हुन जी नज़र में छा त जादू आहे, छा त जादू आहे, छा त जादू आहे।
So listeners, this was Sajjad Yusuf and the beautiful melody we heard. This was the melody by Amanat Gul. You're listening to Indus Melodies from Radio Voice of Sindh, London. Another contemporary vocalist from Sindh, Manzoor Sakhirani. Manzoor Sakhirani belongs to Dadu and he started his career during late 70s or early 80s. His first song for radio was recorded in 81. This beautiful song means that I love you the same way as I used to love you.
तो समुझो साॻियो प्यार प्यार तो समुझो साॻियो प्यार तो मूंखे यार जो विसारियो प्यार तो समुझो साॻियो प्यार रात ॾींहं आतात तुंहिंजी मूंखे रात ॾींहं आतात तुंहिंजी मूंखे हर घड़ीअ साह तोखे तसारियो प्यार तो समुझो साॻियो प्यार दरिन ऐं घट घिटिन में तो दरिन ऐं घट घिटिन में तो वाजवी जी मूं हमेशा निहारियो प्यार तो समुझो साॻियो प्यार गीत मुंहिंजा गूंजन था फिज़ाउन में गीत मुंहिंजा गूंजन था फिज़ाउन में अयूब आहुनि त उभ खे ॿुधारियो प्यार तो समुझो साॻियो प्यार तो समुझो साॻियो प्यार तो मूंखे यार जो विसारियो प्यार तो समुझो साॻियो
So, listeners, we were listening to Manzoor Sakhirani, and I hope that you love to listen this song. We were remembering the name and the style of singing of Ustad Muhammad Yusuf, because the song before, the song sung by Manzoor Sakhirani, I mentioned about Sajjad Yusuf, and now I'm taking you to two beautiful voices, especially many beautiful voices, but others are a part of chorus in this beautiful song. But the major voices in this song, in this duet, are Muhammad Yusuf and Ishrat Jahan. Ishrat Jahan is originally an Urdu singer, but she has also sung some of the memorable numbers, especially for Sindhi movies. And once upon a time, it was the era of Sindhi film industry. But now, after 80s, we have not been able to make a Sindhi film. And there are many reasons behind this tragedy. We'll be talking about that. After that, after the revolution of private channels in Pakistan in 2002, when PEMRA was made, initially it was EMRA, Electronic Media Regulatory Authority. Then it was made PEMRA. Then some of the Sindhi channels also tried to make some telefilms, and they still try to make some telefilms once or twice during the year, but that cannot be considered as a successful experiment which could be warmly received by the viewers. So there was an era of Sindhi films, and we didn't only get beautiful movies on various characters and historical movies and romantic movies and action movies and etc., but also we got a treasure of Sindhi songs, and that treasure is still used through radio shows like the one I'm doing. We keep on playing those songs, we keep on airing those songs to refresh the hearing bits, and those are memorable and unforgettable songs. As I told you that Muhammad Yusuf was the maestro of singing not only Kafi Kalam but also playback for Sindhi movies, and this is also one of the masterpieces sung by Muhammad Yusuf. Ishrat Jahan is a sweet voice, but I'm using this term because she doesn't sing nowadays. She is too old to sing, but we can pray for her health and her long life. But a beautiful voice like Runa Laila, like Humaira Channa, she was also a beautiful voice. So let's listen to this beautiful duet number sung by Muhammad Yusuf and Ishrat Jahan. And I hope that after listening this beautiful happy song, which is called Tarbiyah song in Sindhi or Urdu, your mood will be refreshed and you will be more indulged in this show, which is called Indus Melodies, airing from Radio Voice of Sindh, London.
दिलवारा हिन रुत में रहंदा आखिर कीअं अकेला दिलवारा हिन रुत में रहंदा आखिर कीअं अकेला महफिल में सरहाई आई लहर खुशी जी आई लहर खुशी जी आई बस्ती बस्ती में बहारी घर घर गुलजार घर जी आयूं छलकी आयूं हुस्न सां सुहिणियूं रातियूं
हर हर आहिनि मन सां पंहिंजे प्यार जूं बातियूं
घर जी आयूं छलकी आयूं हुस्न सां सुहिणियूं रातियूं
हर हर आहिनि मन सां पंहिंजे प्यार जूं चुनियूं बातियूं ही महफिल में सरहाई आई लहर ख़ुशीअ जी आई आई लहर ख़ुशीअ जी आई बस्ती बस्ती में बहारी घर घर गुलजारी बस्ती बस्ती में बहारी घर घर गुलजारी
मुंहिंजे अंगण ते मुखड़ियूं महकनि सुहिणो साजन आयो मुंहिंजे अंगण ते मुखड़ियूं महकनि सुहिणो साजन आयो
महफिल में सरहाई आई लहर ख़ुशीअ जी आई आई लहर ख़ुशीअ जी आई बस्ती बस्ती में बहारी घर घर गुलजारी बस्ती बस्ती में बहारी घर घर गुलजारी
महफिल में सरहाई
आई लहर ख़ुशीअ जी आई आई लहर ख़ुशीअ जी आई बस्ती बस्ती में बहारी घर घर गुलजारी बस्ती बस्ती में बहारी घर घर गुलजारी
Listeners, I hope you love to listen this song, this duet by Mohammad Yusuf and Nusrat Jahan. And now I'm taking you to another voice of Allan Fakir. Allan Fakir was one of the symbols of Sindh. Whatever he wore, it was Sindh. Whatever he sung, it was Sindh. Whatever he spoke, it was Sindh. I'll be sharing more about Allan Fakir after this song. There are many songs which are lyrics of various classical poets of Sindh, including Latif. But this is one of the folk songs sung by Allan Fakir. Let's listen to this song and then we'll be talking about Allan more.
भरत भरण जी मुसुई विञाई भरत भरण जी मुसुई विञाई आयलड़ी मुतसुई विञाई जी जलड़ी मुतसुई विञाई नरड़ी मुतसुई विञाई हिते नियार चोरी हिते नियार भेनर हिते नियार ठट्टे जे शर्म मुसुई घुराई ते मामू वेही लुंगी बनाई ते मामू वेही लुंगी बनाई आयलड़ी मुतसुई विञाई जी जलड़ी मुतसुई विञाई हिते नियार चोरी हिते नियार अधी हिते नियार हैदराबाद शहर मां मुसुई घुराई हैदराबाद शहर मां मुसुई घुराई तहमामू वेही पोती बनाई तहमामू वेही पोती बनाई आयलड़ी मुतसुई विञाई भरत भरण जी मुसुई विञाई हिते नियार चोरी हिते नियार अधी हिते नियार
छप्पर जे शहर मां मुसुई घुराई, छप्पर जे गुलक मां मुसुई घुराई, तमाम वेही गज बनाई, तमाम वेही गज बनाई, आयलड़ी मुतसुई विञाई, भरत भरण जी मुसुई विञाई, हिते ने यार अति हिते ने यार, हिते ने यार भेनर हिते ने यार। शहर मां मुसुई घुराई, लाहौर जे शहर मां मुसुई घुराई, तमाम वेही लोई बनाई, तमाम वेही लोई बनाई, जी जलेड़ी मुतसुई विञाई, भरत भरण जी मुसुई विञाई, हिते ने यार अति हिते ने यार, हिते ने यार भेनर हिते ने यार। लाड़काने जे शहर लाड़काने जे शहर मां मुसुई घुराई, लाड़काने जे शहर मां मुसुई घुराई, तमाम वेही टोपी बनाई, तमाम वेही टोपी बनाई, आयलड़ी मुतसुई विञाई, भरत भरण जी मुसुई विञाई, हिते ने यार चोरी हिते ने यार, हिते ने यार अति हिते ने यार। शिकारपुर जे शहर मां मुसुई घुराई, शिकारपुर जे शहर मां मुसुई घुराई, तमाम वेही पराण बनाई, तमाम वेही पराण बनाई, आयलड़ी मुतसुई विञाई, भेनरड़ी मुतसुई विञाई, हिते ने यार चोरी हिते ने यार, हिते ने यार अति हिते ने यार। संदेपुरे मामू घर बनाई, सुय संदेपुरे मामू घर बनाई, तैमू वेही बच्चा विहारी, तैमे मुवेही बच्चा विहारी, आयलड़ी मुतसुई विञाई, भेनरड़ी मुतसुई विञाई, जी जलेड़ी मुतसुई विञाई, हिते ने यार अति हिते ने यार, हिते ने यार भेनर हिते ने यार। सोरोम जो डिंगुआ मुखे मारींदो, सोरोम जो डिंगुआ मुखे मारींदो, सस मुंहिंजी डिंगिया मुखे मारींदी, आयलड़ी मुतसुई विञाई, जी जलेड़ी मुतसुई विञाई, हिते ने यार अति हिते ने यार, हिते ने यार भेनर हिते ने यार।
So listeners, we were listening to Allan Fakir. Allan Fakir can also be referred as one of the great lovers of Hazrat Shah Abdul Latif Bhittai. He memorized most of his poetry, and he used to carry with himself a beautiful poetry collection of Shah Abdul Latif Bhittai, which is called Shah Jo Risalo in Sindhi, and that was compiled by, because Shah Jo Risalo is compiled by various compilers and researchers. He used to carry Risalo by Ghulam Muhammad Shahwani, and it was unbinded, and the papers were here and there, and papers were torn, and that was all torn. But he used to carry that Risalo in his cloth bag, which is called Godadi in Sindhi, and that was a particular style of that was the only style of Allan Fakir. As I told you that whatever he wore was Sindh. He had a turban made by Ajrak, and Ajrak is a particular cloth which was worn by king priest, and king priest is one of the symbols which were found from the archaeological site of Mohenjo-daro. So one of the oldest symbols of this land, this terra firma, is also Ajrak, and Ajrak is still proudly used to be put on shoulders as a bed sheet, as a turban, and for various purposes, even for making shirts and other material from that cloth. So he used to wear the turban of that Ajrak, and he had many rings in almost all his fingers, and he had then a particular attire which represented to Sindh wherever he performed throughout the globe. You are listening to Indus Melodies, and this show is being broadcasted from Radio Voice of Sindh, London. As I mentioned that almost every great singer and vocalist of the subcontinent felt proud to sing in Sindhi. Muhammad Rafi Sahab, one of the great singers of the subcontinent, also sang not only a single song in Sindhi but a whole album in Sindhi, including the poetry of Sachal Sarmast also. I aired one of his numbers, the poetry of Hazrat Sachal Sarmast, 3 days back in my show from Radio Voice of Sindh, London, Suraj Shakhon Kadhiyum. But now it's a challenge given by Muhammad Rafi Sahab to everybody. Especially this is the challenge given by time to everybody, that if you are able to bear the difficulties of this life, then you can live it. Otherwise, you are not allowed to live this life, because this life is a tough job, and this is a tough task, and this cannot be fulfilled by one who fears from life. So if you want to live this life with bravery, you must have courage to live this life. Jeko sabhi siya ka satte, wo mard che maidan mein. That only is allowed to come in this practical field, in this field of thorns. Let's listen to this beautiful song by Muhammad Rafi Sahab.
जेको सभई सिया का सटे सटे म्या सभई सिया का सटे सटे उहो मर्द अचे मैदान में जेको सभई सिया का सटे सटे उहो मर्द अचे मैदान में जेको सभई सिया का सटे सटे जेको सभई सिया का सटे चवण करण में फर्क अडाढो चवण करण में फर्क अडाढो करे उहो जंहिंखे कुर्ब जो काढो करे उहो जंहिंखे कुर्ब जो काढो कौल कलालन कटे कटे अला कौल कलालन कटे कटे उहो मथो रखे मैं खाना में जेको सभई सिया का सटे सटे उहो मथो रखे मैं खाना में जेको सभई सिया का सटे सटे जेको सभई सिया का सटे इसका जो बारो उमालक आयो, इसका जो बारो उमालक आयो, मर्दन मुर्की सिरते चायो, मर्दन मुर्की सिरते चायो, लागा पा सब लटे लटे म्यां, लागा पा सब लटे लटे रया, नफे न की नुकसान में देखो सबई सिया का सटे सटे रया, नफे न की नुकसान में देखो सबई सिया का सटे सटे देखो सबई सिया का सटे। रोशन रमजा जहें सालाए, रोशन रमजा ला, रोशन रमजा जहें सालाए, गिरे हो बहादुर पान भलाए, गिरे हो बहादुर पान भलाए, पूरयल दरा थो पटे पटे अला, पूरयल दरा थो पटे पटे अची इश्कुन्या इंसान में देखो सबई सिया का सटे सटे उहो मर्द अचे मैदान में देखो सबई सिया का सटे सटे उहो मर्द अचे मर्द अचे मर्द अचे मैदान में देखो सबई सिया का सबई सिया का सबई सिया का सटे।
So listeners, how is the feeling listening to Rafi Sahab singing Sindhi in his same accent, in his same style, in his same beautiful and unique expression? Especially I'm asking from those listeners who are listening to Rafi Sahab for the very first time singing in Sindhi. I hope you love to listen this song. So we are going to an end of this show, and I hope that you like this show. I'll be waiting for your feedback, but let me introduce you with a beautiful song which will be played as the last item of this show. And this show is Indus Melodies, which is being broadcasted from Radio Voice of Sindh, London. This is a beautiful poetry by Ustad Bukhari, one of the leading poets of the same era of modern poetry. As we mentioned about Sheikh Ayaz, this is the same era. Ustad Bukhari wrote this beautiful poem. Zafar Ali composed this musical number, and this musical number was conceived and recorded by Nisar Mehman, one of the leading broadcasters of this land, especially for Sindhi broadcasting. He is known as the leading producers who promoted Sindhi music and literature by producing beautiful and memorable programs, radio programs like Risalo. He is one of my mentors, rather the most prominent name among my mentors. I'm talking to you. If you see any beauty in this conversation or style of production and presentation, most of the credit goes to Nisar Mehman Sahab. So this was produced by Nisar Mehman Sahab, and this was sung by one of the leading Urdu ghazal vocalists of Pakistan, Munni Begum. Let me leave you with this beautiful number, but we are not being departed. In Sindhi, we always say Sadain Gad, and in Hawaiian language, it is also said Aloha, and Aloha means we are not there to be departed, we are always together. Another word from Hawaiian language I like, that is Mahalo. Mahalo means Thank you. So mahalo for listening to this show. Thanks for listening to this show. Lakha thora, lakha like. In Sindhi we say it, and especially my foreigner friends, the friends who doesn't know Sindhi can also use these words like hak maujud is also the style of greeting in Sindhi, which also refers to mysticism and which is also a mystic greeting. So hak maujud can be remembered. Lakha like means thank you very much, and lakha thora is thank you very much. So these these terms can be used. So for your feedback, we would be loving to hear from you, and you can extend your feedback through my Facebook page, facebook.com/DJ Yasir Qazi, DJ YSIRQSZI. If you want to extend your feedback through email, my email is djyasirqazi@yahoo.com, DJ YSIRQSZI @yahoo.com. And if you want to follow me through YouTube, you can like my YouTube channel, which is with the name of Yasir Qazi, YSIRQSZI. My Twitter handle is @RJ Yasir Qazi, RJ YSIRQSZI. So folks, if you want to listen to my Sindhi show, which is Suraj Shakam Kadiyun, you can tune into Radio Voice of Sindh London on Tuesdays and Fridays, 10 a.m. in the morning as per Pakistan Standard Time, 6 a.m. as per UK Standard Time, and repeat broadcast as per Pakistan Standard Time is 6 p.m. on Tuesday and Friday, 2 p.m. as per UK Standard Time. And if you want to listen to this weekly show Indus Melodies, you can tune into Radio Voice of Sindh London at 3 p.m. as per Pakistan Standard Time on next Saturday, and at 11 a.m. as per UK Standard Time. And if you want to hear it in repeat broadcast, you can listen to it at 10 p.m. as per Pakistan Standard Time and 6 p.m. as per UK Standard Time, London time. So till then, take care of yourself and take care of those people who are around you and who want to be taken care by yourself. This is me, Yasir Qazi, signing off from Indus Melodies. Be happy, stay safe. Have a nice day, have a nice weekend, have a nice lifetime ahead. Take care, goodbye and Allah Hafiz. Tata and bye-bye. Over and out.
सिंध मुंहिंजी अमा सूह तुंहिंजी मथा छा लिखी छा लिखां छा लिखी छा लिखां सिंध मुंहिंजी अमा
दुनिया जा सिंधियो हिक मुठ थी सिंध बचायो।
सिंध मुंहिंजी अमा सूह तुंहिंजी मथा छा लिखी
सिंध जो क़ौमी आवाज़ रेडियो वॉइस ऑफ सिंध लंडन। रेडियो वॉइस ऑफ सिंध लंडन पंहिंजी नशरियात में सिंध जी सियासत, समाज, इक़्तिसादियात, तारीख़, क़ौमी उमंगुनि ऐं अख़लाक़ियात मुतलिक़ सिंध जी हक़ीक़ी तर्जुमानी कंदे प्रोग्रामनि खे असराइतो बणाइण लाइ सिंध जे घण घुरनि ऐं धरतीअ सां प्यार कंदड़ अदीबनि, दानिशवरनि, सहाफ़ियुनि, उस्तादनि, वकीलनि ऐं हर तबिके जे मानवारनि सजणनि खे सिंध में शऊरी इनकलाब लाइ सहकार जो सॾु ॾियूं था। अचो त गॾिजी सूफ़ियुनि ऐं संतनि वारी सिंध जो ओज हिकु मुठ थी वरी वापसि आणण वारे सफ़र जा साथारी बणिजऊं। हिक नए सुबुह जी शुरूआत जो पड़ाॾो घर घर, ॻोठ ॻोठ ऐं शहर शहर ताईं पहुचायो। शाल सिंध आबाद ऐं खुशहाल थिए, सिंधी माण्हू सुखियो ऐं सताबो थिए।